How to wind up the Vostok or Komandirskie watch? This watch has special screw-down crown, so if you want to wind it up, then you need at first to unscrew the crown. So we unscrew the crown and now you can wind it up. You need to wind it up every 24 hours. Okay, so it's ready for use, and then you need to screw it to fast position. Again with other watch. Unscrew the crown, wind it up, and screw it to its fast position. If you need to set the correct time, then also you need to unscrew the crown, push it a little bit forward, and set the correct time. When you set the correct time, then screw the crown to its fast position. Okay, your watch are ready to write. Also, you can rotate the bezel and fix like stopwatch. For example, I put it behind the longest arrow.